What's up guys, it's Hunter with NVX, and today we're going to show you how to install the boost box itself in the Ford Bronco. So let's go ahead and get started and show you how to do that. We're back here with the boost box and going over some of the materials that we have here that come with it. You got 4 flange bolts here. You got 4 of these, which if you lose 3 of these, you're fine. You really only need 1, because what you're doing with these is crushing your nut cert here. You're gonna hold on to this and twist this, and we'll show you how all that works. This template shows you exactly where you need to drill all your holes. Now let's grab some tape, hang our template. We'll do just fine. Line up that corner right before the curve there. Match the body line. Just like so. All right. So that's what it should look like right there. Nice little template. Now, what we're gonna do is grab our drill bit. I'm gonna grab a small one, and we're just gonna make little pilot holes. And I'm gonna grab my step bit and widen it out until we get the right size for the nut certs. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh no, just kidding. You're gonna put your stuff in this orientation. Nut cert, oversized nut. Thread your bolt in there. Now you're gonna set it in here. You're gonna grab your wrench, place it here in either a drill or an impact, or you can use another wrench, a 10 millimeter. A ratchet, whatever you want to do, and just go to town for a little bit, not too much. So next, what we're gonna do is we can actually get rid of all these. Set those off to the side. We're done with those. And you can get rid of the extra 2 of these, your nut certs. We include 2 extra just in case you don't set one correctly and you mess one up, or 2. can set those off to the side. All we'll need now for this next step are these right here. The other bolt's still in the car, don't judge me. All right. Should be just the 4 screws. You guys let me know what you think about the blue and black speaker wires that we added here. Thought that was a cool touch. Didn't even know that was a thing. Inside the box, we got some polyfill, which we'll add after we mount the box. Bolt, lock washer, washer. Just like so. Do that 4 more times. What we're gonna do is grab some speaker wire and mount our speaker wire here. So before we put on our box, we have our speaker wire all wired up. All right. Just like that. We got our polyfill still. What you do with this, you just put it right in the box, just like that. Put it right back in the corner where you found it. Just kidding. Now, pull it out of the bag, throw the bag away. Pull this out. And we're just gonna put a lot in the corner. Unfold it. And stuff it into each other corner. Before I should have done that. Bring my speaker wire around. So, man, the back of this woofer looks good. Look at that, guys. Man, she sure does look pretty. For a shallow mount, she's a powerful one. Took the grommet out. I poked my grommet poker through just because this comes out pretty easily. I wasn't able to stick it, so I put it on a hole on my bench there and just smacked her through. But this is located here, right there. It comes in this direction. So I'm gonna put this back in the vehicle so we can run our power wire through it once we get to that point. We're gonna go to this stud here, and we're gonna run it like this. So this is a factory sub, factory amp. It's got a plug, it's all wired up. And we're doing some testing so I can pull some signal from here. But Ford, I guess, thought it was a bright idea to not make it real. It's totally fake. Excuse me. The issue with this is we planned our install to be pulled from this factory amp. So we're like, okay, well, the sub's fake. Maybe the factory amp isn't. Well, there's nothing come out of the factory amp either. So now we have to reconfigure a few things. So we ended up pulling signal from the passenger front speaker down in the kick panel. We did not get video of that because we're rushing around trying to get it done for the customer. But the speaker wire colors for that were yellow, orange, green, brown. All right, so the boost box is in. We put our amp and line output converter in, and it went seamlessly down here in the tray. If you guys want to check out these products or anything of the sort, check out our website at nvx.com. If you have any questions, reach out to tech@nvx.com. And if you want to check out these products, check out the links below. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.